Hi guys, welcome back to Deep Chinese. 𝙬𝙧𝙧𝙬𝙪. I know that some guys have learned Cantonese on your own, but you're too shy to chat with others, or you don't have a time to have a conversational class. Why don't we chat with our phone assistant, Siri or Google Assistants? And you know that lately I really don't want to look at my screen or my phone a lot. So speaking to my Siri and scheduling my events are the best choice for me. There are lots of typhoons here, so weather are the common topic for Cantonese. We can ask Siri, 今日天氣點啊? 今日天氣點啊? 今日 today 天氣 weather 點 how 今日天氣點啊? How's the weather today? Or ask if it's raining tomorrow. 聽日會唔會落雨啊? 聽日會唔會落雨啊? 聽日 tomorrow 會唔會 will or not 落雨 rain 聽日會唔會落雨啊? Will it rain tomorrow? I was good at maths in high school, but I don't want to calculate when I try to figure out the special offer on Taobao. Then I will ask my Siri, 喂 Siri, 85除5等於幾多? 85除5等於幾多? 除 divide 等於 equal to 幾多 how many how much 85除5等於幾多? How much is 85 divided by 5? I also asked my Siri to set an alarm clock for me. 校鬧鐘 set alarm clock. 喂 Siri, 幫我校一個聽朝7點鐘嘅鬧鐘。幫我校一個聽朝7點鐘嘅鬧鐘。幫我 help me. 校鬧鐘 set alarm clock. 聽朝 tomorrow morning. 7點鐘 7 o'clock. 嘅幫我校一個聽朝7點鐘嘅鬧鐘。That's when I get up. What about you? 你要校幾點嘅鬧鐘啊? Number 5. The timer. 計時器. Have you found that if you want to be more productive, you have to give yourself a deadline? That's why I always set a timer for myself. So I will ask my Siri, Siri, 幫我校一個20分鐘嘅計時器。幫我校一個20分鐘嘅計時器。幫我 help me 校 set 20 20分鐘 minute 嘅計時器 timer。幫我校一個20分鐘嘅計時器。Please help me to set a timer of 25 minutes. As an online teacher, I always have some appointments with my student in case to forget about it. So I will always ask my Siri to remind me. I will say, 喂 Siri, 我今日有幾多個預約啊? 我今日有幾多個預約啊? 有 have 幾多個 how many 預約 appointments 我今日有幾多個預約啊? How many appointments do I have today? Or I could just say 我今日嘅行程點啊? 我今日嘅行程點啊? 行程 schedule 點啊? How is my schedule today? Since we could check our appointments and also we could cancel the appointment, 幫我取消11點嘅預約。幫我取消11點嘅預約。取消 cancel 11點 11 o'clock 嘅預約 appointment. Please cancel my 11 o'clock schedule. And what's more, we could also set a reminder 提醒我聽日9點去睇醫生。提醒我聽日9點去睇醫生。提醒 remind 我 me 聽日 tomorrow 9點 9:00 去 go 睇醫生 see a doctor 提醒我聽日9點去睇醫生 remind me to see a doctor at 9:00 tomorrow morning. And when you're hungry, you would like to look for the restaurant. Then we will say 我肚餓啦 I'm hungry. 附近有咩食㗎？附近 nearby 有 have 咩 what 食 eat 附近有咩食㗎？ Is there any food nearby? Besides food, we could also ask about drink. When you would like to drink a bubble tea, you could ask 附近有冇奶茶鋪啊？附近nearby 有冇 have or not 奶茶鋪 milk tea shop 附近有冇奶茶鋪啊？ Is there any milk tea shop nearby? We could also ask Siri to help us to call or send a message. We use WeChat a lot, so I could say 幫我打開微信發信息俾媽咪打開 open 微信 WeChat 發信息 send messages 俾 to 媽咪 mom 同佢講我今晚唔返嚟食飯啦 To tell her I would not have dinner at home tonight. To be honest, I don't like to use this message because it cannot listen to me carefully or it would do something really silly. And yeah, but what's more, so 打電話俾 somebody, call somebody. What's more, if you love listening to music, and when you hear a very familiar rhythm, you would like to know what's this song, then you could ask 幫我聽下呢首歌係咩？幫我 help me 聽下 listen for a little bit 呢首歌 this song 係 is 咩 what 幫我聽下呢首歌係咩 Please help me to listen What's the name of this song? Or you could say 幫我識別下呢首歌識別 recognize Please help me recognize this song. You could also ask like 我想聽邊個嘅歌 For example 我想聽連詩雅嘅歌我想 I want to 聽 listen somebody 嘅歌 song 我想聽連詩雅嘅歌連詩雅 is this person, she's quite famous as well. What's more, you could ask your Siri to help you to make a direction to some place. For example, you could say 我要去圖書館 I need to go to the library. What's more, open the app is very helpful as well. You could tell Siri 喂 Siri 幫我打開微信打開 open 微信 WeChat 打開微信 open WeChat. Even though some students paid me US dollars, so I always care about currency rate. So I will ask 泰銖對人民幣係幾多？泰銖Thai baht 對 to 人民幣 RMB 匯率 rate 幾多 how much is Thai baht to RMB's currency. If you care about the stock market, you could ask 今日嘅股市點啊？今日 today 嘅股市 stock market 點 how is the market today? Or you could say 今日個市點啊 in short. What's more, if you are a diehard like me, you always forgot where you put your iPhone. You could ask Siri on your iPad like 幫我揾下我部 iPhone 揾 look for 揾下 look for a little bit 我部 iPhone my iPhone. The last one is if you would like to ask some common question, you could ask 中國有幾多個人 how many people in China. I hope you could have fun with your Siri. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumb up. If you would like to have a conversation class with me, please contact me on this kind of social medias. And if you want to support me, you could buy me a bubble tea, and also you could support me by buy my Cantonese Jyutping material. It's only $5 now, and click this link and know more. And this Jyutping material is not only the flashcard but also my voice clip with it. It's including 54 initials and financials of the Jyutping, and I also helped you figure out what's the difference of AAT and AT. Leave me comments if you liked this video. See you soon. Bye bye.